Let's learn how to update or delete an item from a sales invoice. Suppose you have an invoice and you have entered some items incorrectly. Suppose I have entered this quantity as 2 and it should be 4. Again, your customer said that he does not need this item, and you have to remove this item from invoice. Let's see how can we do this. Go to the menu bar. Click on Sale. Select Sale Date-wise View. You will see that your invoices are listed here. Select the invoice you want to update. Press Enter. Your invoice will open. Now, you want to change the quantity of this item. Select the item by pressing Ctrl plus space. Press Enter. The pop-up screen opens. Change the quantity and press Enter. PEASx knows that you are going to update the item, so the Save button is disabled and Edit button is enabled. Move to Edit by pressing Enter key. Press Enter to edit. Your cursor moves to this field. Done. You can close the pop-up screen. Your item is updated in the invoice. Now, your customer does not want to buy this item. You have to delete this. Simply select the item and press Delete button in your keyboard. You will be asked if you really want to delete the item. Press Enter to confirm. The item has gone. When you delete an item from sales invoice, your stock is returned to your inventory. Your grand total is recalculated. Now simply go the print button and check the preview. Thank you.